Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be mounting and testing the Bakkie Cycles Charging Rack. Let's mount it to the bike. So you're going to start off by undoing the back clips. Go through your rear rack. Clip the left side first. Then do the right side. Pass it through the bike rack and clip it in. You can then open the front patch. Inside you should find 3 different bands. So there will be a green one, a yellow one, and a red one. For the moment we are only going to be using the red one. So just take it out. You can put the other ones away for the moment. Then you're going to want to go through the back of your bag and attach it inside here. Then once that's done, you go through your frame. This will make it more stable. And then attach onto the top. To get it ready for the bike, loosen them up all the way. It's now ready for the bike to be fitted in. Let's put the bike on the charging rack. Undo the first clip. Bring the front wheel up. Try to make sure it's centered. Now clip it back in. Make sure that the bike sits up high. Bring the bike up and tighten everything. Take the extra 2 straps we saw earlier. Use the yellow one first. Go through the bottom and into the inner clip. Then connect with the front clip. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now use the last strap. Go through your bike rack and attach it to the front wheel. You're now ready to go.